Hi class, this is Michelle Todd and I just wanted to welcome you to your 8-week course called Technology to Enhance Learning. Just wanted to help you find your way around if you're not familiar with Canvas. First of all, you probably have received an email and maybe an announcement from me about the course. First things, you can find that in the announcements in case you missed it, but hopefully it's gone directly to your email account, which we can email right here back and forth to one another. You should be able to find the syllabus in the syllabus section, but you'll also want to begin to look and follow along in the module section that will help you. You can go here or you can begin at the home area, and inside the home area the sections are divided into modules, and so when you click on module 1 per se, then you're going to have some direct links into those module pages, but you could also get there through the modules themselves. Each section should have an organizer and an introduction, and then have our lessons and then the tasks for the week. That's also listed by dates in the syllabus, but you'll also find a calendar right here that will help you, and some reminders should pop up along the way. You'll want to follow discussions. Those will also be listed here in the tasks that could help you. This first week we'll start with a basic introduction in discussions, and then you're going to start a journal, an online tool, and you can choose that tool, but to do some posting about your readings, and the readings are here. If you start a page, you might also find very effective at the bottom of each page there's a next button, and if you follow along the next buttons, it turns more like a page. So there's lots of ways to get around in Canvas. I'm happy to help you any way that I possibly can. We could video chat, we can email. You just let me know. We are working through this course. I've taught it before, and we have revamped it and had a good successful run in the last couple of sessions. But if you were to find a mistake or something that's not working well, if you just send me a polite email, I'll do the best I can to get it fixed within a 24-hour window. I try very hard to work within a 24 answering window, so if you will just let me know what you need, I will do my best. You'll find who's in the class with you. There'll be a few times that we work together as a group, and we'll talk about that a little bit closer. You can follow your own grades inside Canvas, and so you will see that there's a lot of room for us to have communication, even though it's on an online class. Anytime you're confused about where you're at, there's breadcrumbs at the top that you can go back, or you could just go back to the courses itself and click into the course, and it will take you back to the home page. If this is your first time as an online class, congratulations. I hope you'll find it very effective. It is something that you'll want to be careful to plan your time and set aside some work time. It's very easy to put our work off until right before the due date. We recommend that you don't do that. Instead, kind of stay on top of it, stay up with your readings, and but it does give you a lot of flexibility to work on the class at your own pace. Hope you have a great session, and if you have any problems, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you.